Welcome to our comprehensive review of Ifexcapital, a premier trading platform that is making waves in the world of online trading. Operated by Zenith Origin Holding Limited in collaboration with Transacta Services Limited, Ifexcapital stands out for its advanced trading solutions and extensive range of trading assets. With over 350 assets, including forex, commodities, and shares, it caters to a wide array of traders, from beginners to seasoned professionals. But before we start, make sure to read our risk disclaimer carefully. Let's start with the most important aspects of our Ifexcapital review. Regulatory compliance and security. A key aspect of Ifexcapital's reliability is its regulation by the Financial Services Commission Mauritius, ensuring adherence to international regulatory standards. Holding a global business license, GB 21,026,812, it offers traders the peace of mind that comes with a regulated trading environment. The Mauritius-based company, located at Suite 4B, 4th floor, Ibeen News, 57 Cybercity, Ibeen 72201, provides a secure and trustworthy platform for global financial market access, advanced technology, and customer support. One of Ifexcapital's most notable features is its cutting-edge technology, which is seamlessly integrated into its trading platform. This technology ensures fast order execution, which is crucial in the fast-paced world of online trading. Complementing this is their top-tier customer support, available via their service phone. This combination of advanced technology and dedicated support makes Ifexcapital a go-to choice for efficient and effective trading. What sets Ifexcapital apart? Innovative trading platform. As a new and modern broker, Ifexcapital brings a fresh perspective to online trading. Its modern trading platform is user-friendly, catering to both novice and experienced traders. The platform's design focuses on enhancing the trading experience, making it intuitive and straightforward to navigate. Diverse asset offerings. The platform offers an impressive range of trading assets. Traders can choose from over 30 crypto CFDs, allowing for significant diversification and engagement with the dynamic crypto market. This is in addition to the wide range of forex pairs, commodity CFDs, metal CFDs, indices CFDs, and stock CFDs available on the platform. Areas of concern. Despite its many strengths, there are areas where Ifexcapital could improve. The above-average spreads may be a deterrent for frequent traders, as they can impact profitability. The absence of negative balance protection is a significant risk, potentially leading to losses exceeding deposited funds. Inactivity fees could be a downside for occasional traders or those with dormant accounts. Lastly, being a new broker might raise some reliability concerns among traders used to established industry names. Trading assets and opportunities. Ifexcapital stands out for its wide array of trading assets. The platform offers more than 350 assets, providing traders with numerous opportunities to diversify their portfolios. This includes over 45 forex pairs for those interested in currency trading, 30 crypto CFDs catering to the growing interest in digital assets, and a solid representation of traditional markets with 15 commodity CFDs, 4 metal CFDs, 24 indices CFDs, and an impressive selection of over 100 stock CFDs. Remarkably, all these trading options are available with zero commissions, enhancing profitability for traders. Trading experience and platform features. The trading experience at Ifexcapital is marked by its modern and user-friendly approach. The platform, suited for both new and seasoned traders, offers fast order execution, a critical feature for reducing latency and improving trading outcomes. Its mobile application and web-based software are designed for convenience, with cross-platform compatibility and a range of analytical tools. The interface is intuitive, allowing traders to start without extensive guidance, and includes features like one-click trading for quick operations. Account types and fees. Traders at Ifexcapital can choose from various account types, each tailored to different levels of trading experience and needs. The accounts range from the Silver account, suitable for beginners, to the VIP account, designed for advanced traders, each with its own set of features like NDD execution and hedging options. However, the platform structure of inactivity fees may be a drawback for some, particularly those who don't trade regularly or have dormant accounts. Deposits and withdrawals. Depositing and withdrawing funds at Ifexcapital is designed to be convenient and transparent. The platform supports various free deposit options and has a detailed withdrawal policy. They adhere to strict Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering procedures, ensuring secure and ethical trading practices. However, it's important to note the minimum withdrawal requirements and potential fees for smaller amounts, as outlined in their policy. Customer service and accessibility. Ifexcapital places a strong emphasis on customer service, offering various channels for communication, including phone, email, and live chat. This indicates their commitment to addressing client concerns with professionalism and promptness. The support team is geared towards providing a smooth trading experience and resolving any issues efficiently. Final assessment. In summary, Ifexcapital presents an attractive option for those seeking a modern, technologically advanced trading platform. Its comprehensive asset offerings, user-friendly interface, and strong regulatory compliance make it a viable choice for both new and experienced traders. However, aspects like the fee structure and lack of certain protections should be carefully considered. While some areas could be improved, Ifexcapital's strengths in fast order execution, a diverse range of trading assets, and a commitment to customer support make it a strong contender in the online trading space. Highlights of Ifexcapital: up to 1 to 500 leverage, more than 350 trading assets, a minimum deposit of $250, availability of a free demo account. In conclusion, Ifexcapital is a platform that combines innovation, diversity, and user-friendliness, making it a noteworthy choice in the dynamic world of online trading.